Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I am going to be sharing 4 Christmas DIYs and they're all very budget friendly. Most everything came from the dollar store. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It does not cost anything to subscribe. For this first DIY, you're going to need a couple of the wooden trays or boxes from Dollar Tree, and you're also going to need some wooden beads, and you're going to need a Christmas ornament, and this one came from Dollar General, and then this little red truck came from Walmart. So 2 Christmas ornaments and some ribbon. First, I took around the edge, the inner part of the box, and I just hot glued some of the wooden beads on and then let them dry. I ordered my beads from Amazon. So just hot glue your beads all around the inner edge of the box or tray. For the second tray, I hot glued the beads on the top of the rim of the little box. So just make sure let your beads have time to dry before you move them, and I am using Gorilla Glue hot glue sticks and Gorilla Glue hot glue gun, and I have mine set on low temp, and we just spray painted everything, then let it dry. Next you will need some printed graphic paper, and I picked up this paper at Hobby Lobby, and this week it's on sale for 4 for $1. And so I just traced the bottom of the box, but you'll have to cut it shorter because it's too big if you just trace it and cut it. So you kind of have to adjust to fit it inside the box. And then after I had it cut to fit, I just hot glued the paper inside the little box and let it dry. After the paper had time to dry, I took the little truck Christmas ornament that I picked up at Dollar General for $1, and I just hot glued it to the center of the little box, and that's it. So my first little shadow box is complete. You could add some fake snow to the bottom of it and some little mini trees if you wanted to, but I just kept mine simple. And so this is the way it looks. Next, I tied a petite bow using some of the red and black buffalo plaid check ribbon. I just tied a single bow and I hot glued it to the center of the top of the shadow box, and that's it for my first one. For my second little shadow box, I picked up some decorative paper also at Hobby Lobby, and I just traced the bottom and cut out the rectangle, but I did have to make some adjustments because I had the beads hot glued into the bottom, so I cut it smaller and hot glued the paper onto the bottom of the box. This little metal truck came from Walmart, and so really only the wheels were touching, so I had to go back and add quite a bit extra hot glue and just kind of wait and let it dry before I turned it up on its side. So just be patient and let the hot glue have time to dry. Okay, so this is how my first 2 DIYs look. Next, I picked up some Christmas cards, and these are the 5x7 Christmas cards, and I picked up 2 of the 5x7 photo frames at Dollar Tree, and I just spray painted my little photo frames white, or actually my son spray painted them for me. And so I took the glass out because I did not want to use the glass. If you want to use the glass, you can, but I just set my glass aside. So this is how it looks after he spray painted my frames. And so I just took some of the little Christmas cards, and I thought these were so cute. I found them in Branson at Tuesday Morning, and they were really inexpensive. And I also added some of these little jewel beads from Dollar Tree. So it's so simple to do. Take your photo frame, paint it, take your Christmas card, put it in the frame, put the back on, and it's super cute to display on a table. Now I did dress mine up a little bit with some of the jewels from Dollar Tree, but it looks cute without doing anything, or you could add a bow if you wanted to. I did make 2 of these little frames. On the first one I added the green jewels. On the second one I did the little red jewels, and I kind of spaced the red beads apart. And I am so glad I did not put the glass back in my frames, because first thing when I was trying to take a picture of them, I knocked one of them right off onto the tile floor. So I would have had a huge mess if the glass had been in it. So this is how the one looks with the little red little beads. I kind of like this one better than the green. I kind of like them spaced out. Okay, and I think this one's my favorite DIY. I just picked up this adorable gnome gift bag at Walmart. I also picked up the pizza pan at Walmart, and then those are some of my Amazon beads. My son spray painted the pizza pan for me, and then I just took the gift bag and I just cut the front section of it off, and then I traced the pizza pan, and then I just cut it out. And I have such sweet kids. They are always so sweet to help me with all of my videos, so thank you kids if you're watching. And then I just took the bag after I got it cut out, and I just hot glued it to the center of the pizza pan. You will have to cut the little circle smaller, so it took me a little while to get it cut to fit the pizza pan, but it does not have to be perfect, because along the edge on the inside part of the pizza frame, as you can see, the little wooden beads, I just hot glued them in, and they covered the raw edges of the gift bag. You could do some more painting on the beads or the pizza pan if you would like, but I just kept mine simple and I kind of like it this way. Then I added some twine onto the back so that I could hang it on the wall. And so that's it, guys. Let me know what you think of these simple and inexpensive for Christmas DIYs. This is my fourth Christmas DIY video for 2020, and I am doing a Christmas giveaway on my channel. So all you have to do to enter is to leave a comment on each of the Christmas videos, and this is for US residents only. I'm sorry guys, I've never shipped out of the country, so I don't know how expensive it is, but this is for US residents only, and you just have to leave a comment. And so this is what's in giveaway 1. My daughter and I talked about it, and instead of just doing one giveaway, we're going to give away 3 giveaways, and we're going to draw 3 winners on November 26th, 2020, which is Thanksgiving Day. I will announce the winners on my community page, and also I will message the 3 winners to get their mailing address. But if you'll look in the video, I've got it marked like giveaway 1, and that way you can see what's in giveaway 1. Then marked giveaway 2, and you can see what all's in giveaway 2, and then the last one, giveaway 3. So I hope you like what's in my giveaway. Leave me a comment if you want to be entered, and I'll write your name down. This giveaway is not sponsored or endorsed by YouTube or anyone. I'm using my own money for this giveaway. I appreciate everyone so much. Thank you guys so much for watching and commenting and sharing my videos. Y'all are so sweet, and I appreciate all of your positive comments. And I'm going to try to do more giveaways in the near future. I would love to do another giveaway when I hit 50,000 subscribers. So please help me to hit that milestone.